Welcome to ThinkBlink.
Let's learn some useful bathroom vocabulary. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Slippers. Slippers. Soap. Soap. Clothespins. Clothespins. Hanger. Hanger. Bucket. Bucket. Mop. Mop. Detergent. Detergent. Hair dryer. Hair dryer. Shampoo. Shampoo. Polishes. Polishes. Brush. Brush. Toilet paper holder. Toilet paper holder. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Trash can. Trash can. Soapy water. Soapy water. Trash bag. Trash bag. Towel. Towel. Clothesline. Clothesline. Shower. Shower. Bathtub. Bathtub. Laundry liquid. Laundry liquid. Sink. Sink. Toilet. Toilet. Mirror. Mirror. Washing machine. Washing machine. Faucet. Faucet. Shower cap. Shower cap. Can you guess what this is? Yes, it's a loofah.
Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to give us a big like if you had fun. Subscribe and let's explore more together.